you should see the numbers 0 through 7 printed in your console, 1 per line. This will serve as the foundation for generating your pyramid. Replace your log statement with a statement to push I to your rows array. So perhaps let's get rid of this and let's get rid of what we know. We know that rows is assigned to an empty array. So rows is an array. And we also know that push is a method used in arrays for manipulating arrays in JavaScript rather. So push is something adding is used for adding something to an array, which in our case that would be rows. So first, let's access our array named rows. Then interpolate the push method, and then inside of here would be the something or what would be added to the rows array using the push method. So in our case that would be I, as it says to push I. Nice.